Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add stroke, glow and drop shadow effects in OBS Studio. First, open your browser and search for stroke, glow, shadow OBS on Google. Then open the OBS page and click the download button. Then download the installer. Once the download is complete, open the zip file and extract it to your desktop. Next, open the setup file. Then make sure the OBS Studio installation path is correct. If it's not, select the correct folder and complete the installation. After that, open OBS Studio. Then right click on your source and click filters. After that, in the effects section, you will see the new stroke, glow and shadow effects. So simply choose the effect you want to use and add it to your source. So you can customize each effect however you like until it looks exactly the way you want. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.